And I want to show you quickly what we call the heat map. Okay, this is the Nasdaq 100 stocks, Nasdaq 100 stocks. Okay, all the stock listed on Nasdaq 100, they are here. Okay, so if you are trading the Nasdaq index, okay, you can look at this map and have quickly, okay, this feeling about the market, okay. So as you can see, it's almost red here. So it's a bit bearish now as you look at it like this. And then the next thing that you look at is the leaders of this sector, okay. Talking about stock, the tech sector, Apple is a leader, okay. It's not quite bearish right now, okay. It's between bearish and bullish right now where my cursor is. And then you pay attention also to Google, which is doing exactly the same thing like Apple stock, not very bearish, not bullish either, as you can see here. And then also you look at Bidu. Bidu right now, a very leader, a strong leader in this sector group, is getting a bit bearish right here. And then you quickly also look at Amazon. Amazon also something like this Apple stock. If you look at Intel, Intel is not anywhere bearish, okay, just about to get bullish right now. That's how you look at this thing to have a bit of idea what is going on. Looking at Microsoft also is not bearish, it's just between neutral to bullish, or either neutral to bearish. We will see it's all white here, it's neutral. When it's white, it's neutral. Okay, here it's getting bearish, and this is very, very, very bearish. This CTXS, okay, very, very bearish. ACAM, AKAM, bearish, okay. So if you want to be selling, you look at it. But the best thing to do is to look at the general market direction, like the S&P 500. You start from the S&P 500, and then you come to the sector, and then you look at the sector, what the sector is doing, and then you check the leaders in that particular sector like we do. So S&P 500 direction, Nasdaq direction, and then the leaders in this sector, talking about Apple, Microsoft, Google, Bidu, okay, Intel, Amazon. You check the direction, and then you know that direction of the market. Okay, most of the time when Apple and Google are bearish, you know that the sector is quite bearish, and then you start looking for opportunity to sell only. But today they are not very, very bearish right now, as you can see. So that's how you analyze this map that we call the heat map, okay, and give you a bit of idea. This is just to show you quickly what's going on in the market, so you do not just buy or sell anyhow, but you trade first the market, and then you trade the sectors, and then you pay attention to the leaders in the sector, and then you make your decision going in harmony with the market, and then in harmony with the sector. Okay, I hope you learned something from this video that you put into practice, especially for those who are swing trading. Okay, but if you want to have excellent day trading tactics, strategy, that's how you go about it. So start from the market, and then you go to the sector, and then the sector, you pay attention to the leaders of that sector. You see the general direction of the market, and then you trade in that direction. Do not trade in the opposite direction to the market, okay? So you pay attention to that. You will see some spot where when the general market here is almost bearish, I can say that it's bearish, and then you pay attention to the stocks that are rising and see why they are rising. Check the news on those stocks. Do they have a valid reason why they should rise? Okay, if they don't have any valid reason like excellent product or excellent new backing why they are rising, so they are going contra trend. So you look for weaknesses, okay, to sell them so that they comply with the general market direction. You do not just sell them because they are going in the opposite direction of the general market, but first you check whether they have any fundamental reason why they are rising, because some stock they have a fundamental reason why they should rise, and they will be rising very, very fast. Okay, so you check that first before you try to bully them, so to speak. Okay, so this is how you will day trade, and also for swing trading, to prepare yourself for swing trading. If I get out also the Dow, the Dow, the stock listed on the Dow for you. Okay, the New York Stock Exchange. Okay, this is it. The small one here, I'll close this one here, which is this thing. Okay, I'll close this one and then bring it. My This is the Dow, the 30 stock listed on the Dow Jones, okay? The Dow Jones Index, these are the stocks that are listed on the Dow Jones Index. I'll make it big, okay? So on the picture we have here on the Dow Jones Index is quite bullish. It's not very bullish. As you can see, there are more greens than reddish here compared to the other sector that we look at now. The Dow Jones Index have a chance to rise here. As you can see, all the stocks are quite green. The leaders, you check the leaders in this Dow Jones also, and you compare this is some here. Okay, ExxonMobil is a leader in this group. Very important to pay attention to the ExxonMobil EPIC XOM. Okay, this gives you a bit of idea what is going on in this sector also. And also you trade first the S&P 500, and then you trade the Dow Jones, and then you see the leaders in this sector, and then you make your decision according in harmony with the stock that are listed in Dow Jones. Okay, so I hope this video is useful to you, that you put into practice, okay, in order to clean the market consistently. Okay, until the next time, enjoy yourself and then be very, very happy. Thank you.